Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm going to air up a tire because it's high low. I haven't hauled this out in a while. Here's what it looks like. And then there's this. So I know it works. I already got it set up. And tire is going to add air. I think this guy is low. So I thought about doing it, but then having like, should I do it or should not? And I see my YouTube short video. I was at the dump clearing out some trash. So yeah. Now where that show HSI, that I have no idea. That's where I was missing the cap, but yeah, I almost processed it's slightly lower. Or about 5. It looks like maybe 4 because it has that bigger tire. So it's like it's heavy. Oh yeah, I think there it is. It's like 55. Oh no, here we go. I think that's, yeah, 35 PSI right there. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm probably do like 36 just to make sure it's filled, but not too filled more because it's cold. How it has a little longer life. So what we got? It's over here, and you see this main tire, and it shows you right here how it works. And it comes with bought at Home Depot. It's oil free. I don't want to get this wet because this part is probably electric and motor inside it. So I think I might just sweep off the dust and do it that way. It's better to do that than oops, partially got this thing wet and then the problem, and then it goes into the junkyard pile. So there's the made in China, of course. A lot of stuff is like that, unfortunately. The year of it, oh, here we go. See, 2018, so that's about, I think, 4 years ago. So And this right here is the thing. It's like on water here. This air got too pressurized. This guy here's job is to, so you can see it works good. So, ooh, that's actually hot. This right here is hot. So, yeah, all damage done.